Hello and welcome back to episode number 5 of the DeFi Stablecoin Experiment, where we've placed $1,000 in each of these platforms to find the best return on your investment, and it's been 33 days so far. But if you want to find out more about this particular experiment, then click in the description to find a link to episode number 1. So before looking at our wallets, let's have a look at what's happening in the markets at the moment. We're at a market cap of 1.55 trillion at the moment. It's down about 5%, and we have a 44% dominance in Bitcoin at the moment. And let's have a look at Bitcoin, what the price action is actually happening on here. So if we go to the 1 week chart, we can see we were at around the same price. Well, we were at around 36, just under 37 last week, and now you can see that it did reach a high of around 40,000. I did mention if we did reach around 41, then I think it would have been parabolic, but I think there's some trading that's been going on that's pushing it down below 41. So we can see now it's Friday, and again, I'll reiterate, on Fridays usually there is a sort of a lull in the whole crypto market. Everyone stops trading around the weekend, so we're now back down to around 36,000. So we're down over 1 week, we're down about 4% at the moment. So, and in 1 day we did reach around 38,000, and then it has dropped significantly with the Bitcoin price. So I think what's going to happen is that we're going to have this sort of sideways movement of Bitcoin. It's going to be hovering around for a while, just below 40 and in between like 33,000 at the moment for the time being. I'm not too sure what's going to happen, but that's what it looks like to me. In other news, because Bitcoin's down, everything's also dropped down about 4% as well. Some notables is Polkadot actually dropping around 7% actually, so that's quite a lot of a bit of a drop in this market as well. Binance also, if we go into Binance, it's also down to around $335, which was, if we have a look at this, then you can see that in 1 week we were around a bit of a healthier amount at around $356, and then it did reach a high of around $376, and then dropped back down into around 334. So again, Bitcoin is actually bringing everything down. More sideways movements for everything else. I think everyone has done an average of around definitely under around 8% drop for everything else as well. So expect probably a bit more of a drop maybe tomorrow, which will be Saturday or Sunday, and then expect a sort of repeat performance where we'd see a bit of a rise midweek. So if we go into the week again, you can see midweek around it might rise up again and try and reach that 40 mark again. So that's it for today's taking a look at the markets. And if you want 35% off Coinstats app, you can get this by using the code ALPHACRYPTO in uppercase. So if you just type in ALPHACRYPTO here, submit, then you get 35% off, including the professional amount as well. So you get 35% off that as well. So this is the annual subscription, also is available for the monthly subscription as well. As you can see, 35% off, which is around $3.24 per month, and it gives you insights and tracks all your portfolios and everything. It's quite nice. So let's check our wallets. First up, we have Compound, and as you can see with DAI, we've done $1,009.02, and with USDC, we've done $1,002.40. So let's have a look at our comp balance, our bonus, which is shown here at $2.58, which is a tiny bit up since last week. And Aave hasn't been doing too well since the start, so it's after 33 days we've only acquired around $4, which isn't too good. So DAI is $1,004.33, and with USDC we've got $1,000.99, so just under $1,003 here. But the Matic rewards, we're at around $3.69, so I think that should be around $5 worth. I will do some calculations afterwards. Let's have a look at Autofarm.network, and let's have a look at our BUSD to USDT liquidity pool that we provided. So it looks like it has gone down very slightly, and it's gone down to $1,014.13. However, the auto rewards have gone up to around $4.90, so that's not too bad. It's giving us an APY of around 11%, which has gone down since last week as well. So let's check out our BUSD to UST, apologies, and this has gone up very slightly, so we're at $1,034.38, and with an APY of 18.72, and we've got rewards of around $5.06 here. So let's have a look at Anchor Protocol, and we're doing quite well here. So $1,016.18, and the interest rate has gone up slightly. So I think last week we were at just below 18% at around 17.9 or something, and it has increased to 19.5% here. And it looks like it's going to give us around 54 cents per day, or $3.81 per week, or $16.51 per month. And in a year we can expect to get around $198.23. So remember that Anchor Protocol does not use anything on MetaMask. You'd have to download its own Terra wallet, which is based on Chrome here. So as you can see, Terra Station is not part of MetaMask, it's not part of Ethereum network, so make sure you download the correct wallet. I will do another tutorial on how to stake your UST on Anchor Protocol a bit later next week, so stay tuned for that. And here on MStable we have $1,010.46, and the APY has gone down slightly to around 10%. So I think last week was slightly higher than 10%. I think it was around 17 or 15%. I need to double check on that, but it has gone down slightly. This is what you get with these variable rates, but still, nevertheless, it's still quite consistent in terms of the staking rewards. So after 33 days, here are the calculations. Still at the very top, we get the auto farm liquidity pool pair of BUSD to UST, and that gives us a total profit of around $34.38, which is a daily average of around $1.04, which is actually very, very good. So if we minus the fees to this, it gives us $31.68. But with this, we also get the auto reward. So our farming yield is that auto, and this is worth around $5.06. Gives us total minus the fees, but including a bonus of $36.74, which is very, very good. And that stays in position 1. Previous position was number 1, so no change in there. And number 2, we also have Anchor Protocol, which is on the Terra network, and this has been extremely consistent. The interest rate has gone up to around 19.5%, which is awesome as well. So a total profit of $16.18. If we minus the fees, it's around $14.50, but it does give us a daily average profits of around 49 cents, which is very good as well. And that sticks to position 2. It was position 2 last week. Another noticeable is that Auto Farm BUSD to USDT, that has gone up 1 position. So I believe it's because of the bonus variable that you get, which is auto, and the extra that you get is around $4.90 as the extra. Gives us a total minus the fees plus the bonus of around $16.19. So that's gone up one position. And M stable with MUSD has gone down one position, but this has also been quite consistent as well. So our profit minus the fees plus the bonus, and there is no bonus for this, so it's $10.46 for this. And at the bottom again we have Aave just struggling. It was started out so well in the beginning of the actual experiment, but now it's just struggled, and you can see the current value has actually dropped very slightly off the peg again, and it's a current value of like around $1,004.33, which gives us around 13 cents a day, which is not very good. However, the bonus is quite good with Matic, so we do have $2.49 of Matic available, and the same with the USD one as well. So total profit over 33 days around $6.82 and $6.28, which isn't very good at all for Aave protocol. So I would probably avoid this. It started out so well. The actual interest rates were very high in the beginning, and now they have dropped, which is the whole point of the experiment because of those variable rates. Now it could all change. Because Aave's interest rate could actually go back up again. So we never know, but it'll be interesting to see. And of course, with at the bottom, the laggards at the bottom, Compound on the Ethereum network, because of fees so high that it's just completely pointless to actually enable this stake onto the Compound platform at the moment, because despite having low gas fees now, you're still gonna get around $20 to $30 in terms of fees on enabling to supply onto the Compound network at the moment. So I wouldn't recommend, I still wouldn't recommend Compound and Ethereum at the moment. They're just going to be too high in terms of fees. But if you want something stable and you do have something perhaps over $10,000, or maybe perhaps even higher, probably around $50,000, then Compound might be worth it, because then you will receive the bonus, the comp bonus, and plus Compound has been around for probably the longest, so it's the most reliable in terms of your DeFi protocol. And that's a wrap for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit subscribe and hit that bell notification icon, and I'll be back next week for more updates. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.